Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Opencart Slack Commerce plugin, and using this plugin you'll be able to incorporate this Slack Commerce within your default Opencart platform based web stores. So today we'll be showing you one workflow for this particular plugin itself. We'll also be showing you the initial configuration settings required for the Opencart Slack Commerce plugin by Webkul. And before we proceed further, let me give you a small just about the plugin itself. So basically, this Opencart Slack Commerce plugin will allow the Opencart web store admin to take the advantage of the Slack application, and this integration will be recording the actions held in the store itself. The store owner will be able to easily get notifications about the actions like the new user registration, user login, order creation, order return, payment fraud and fail, search product not found, and if the customer applies a coupon code. It also helps the store owners to easily track the activities done by the customers without visiting the store itself. And within this particular plugin itself, the admin has the power to configure the messages for the various actions. Thus, if one wishes to improvise the store and acquire a maximum customer to enhance the sales, then this particular integration is the best solution for you. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular plugin works. But before that, we'll be first seeing the initial configuration settings of this plugin, and then we'll see the workflow as well. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel for the Opencart platform-based web store first. So let's log into the backend panel for the Opencart web store itself by entering my username password for the admin itself. Now after we've logged in, to make the configuration settings, we can navigate through extensions and then extensions. Thereafter we'll be choosing modules, and here we'll be looking for our plugin. So I'll just scroll down for that, and let me scroll a bit up, and somewhere here we have our product. Okay, we have the Opencart Slack Commerce here. So we'll just tap here on the edit button, and that brings up the initial configuration settings for the Opencart Slack Commerce itself. So the very first option here we have is to select the store, and then we can choose it according to the need and select the store where the module would be active. So for this installation I just have one store, so it's only displaying one. If I have two, I can choose those two stores as well and set up the configuration accordingly. Then we have the option to set the plugin status as enabled or disabled. Then we have two different tabs. One is the general one, the other one is the message one. Under the general we have the username, channel and the token number. So basically, under the username, the store owner would have to enter the username of the Slack account. So for that, you can check our user guide that I've attached within the description below to check how to get the token and the channel details by the admin. So for that, the admin needs to have the Slack account to access the module functionality. So you can check the user guide link and check how we can create an account there. Then you can also check how we can create a channel there. That's very easy, and how to get the token from the Slack itself. Okay, so and those details need to be entered here: the username, the channel and the token. Let's get to the message section, and here the admin basically can now set up the different configuration for the messages as we know. So let's go through each of these settings one by one. So the very first option that we have here is the new user registration. So here the admin can enter the message. So whenever a new user basically customer gets registered at the web store, so for that he can choose one option here. And thereafter we have the login user, and here the admin needs to enter the message whenever a customer logins to the website. So login user message would be sent out using the Slack app itself. Then we have the order create option. Then we have the order create, and here the admin can select the message that will be shared whenever the customer places an order. Similarly, for the order return, you need to choose the respective message that would be sent out. For the payment fraud and fail, you can choose the respective message. search product not found, you can choose the one message that would be sent out for that particular uh, instance. Then we have the customer assigned group, sorry, the customer assigned coupon. So whenever a coupon has been used with the customer, at that time a message is sent out. So basically whenever what we say as whenever the admin chooses the option for this section here, that's the customer assigned coupon. So here he needs to choose a message in this field that would be generated whenever the coupon is assigned to the customer. So whenever coupon is assigned, at that time the chosen message would be sent out to that particular customer itself. Then you just need to tap here on the save button, and we are done making an initial configuration settings for the Opencart platform based web store when it's integrated with the Opencart Slack Commerce. Also, after you've installed and successfully installed this particular plugin, you'll have the Slack sub menu option here with configuration messages. To go to this configuration section, you can directly tap here on the configuration. Otherwise, you can navigate through extensions, and under the modules, you'll select plugin and make the initial configuration settings. So under the Slack, we have the messages. Let's see what we have under the messages. So under the Slack messages, the admin can add a new message or can edit an already created message. So here you can see a complete list of messages that we have created, and these were the ones that we could have chosen. We were choosing from the backends for the different like the on the time of order place, at the time of coupon assignment, whichever message we chose here, or for the payment field as well. Those messages are here that we've already created. To add a new one, just tap here on the add button. Now for the message, just enter the name of the message, and this would be displayed at the time of selection according to your store views. And you can enter the message as well. Under the info, you can get your keywords that you can make use within your within the email that you're going to send out. So for new user, we have the different keywords available here for user login, for order a return, for order for search product, and for coupons as well. So that's how we can add new Slack message. Let's go back. Let's edit one Slack message. So here we have coupon. We have the coupon is used which order, or with the order ID and the coupon code and the coupon amount. So this would make visible the order ID, the coupon code, and the coupon amount that has been used by the customer. So that was how we can create a Slack message, how we can configure it. And let me show you one more thing at the storefront. So basically the customer in the front end would be able to easily take actions which admin records in respective Slack app account. For instance, if the customer searches a product that could not be found in the store, as you can see right now that the product meeting the search criteria has not been found, what happens is that the admin just needs to log into his Slack application to record the absence of that particular product. And here you can see that customer searched the product pink dress, and that was not there within the web store itself. So that was much about the Opencart Slack Commerce plugin integration, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uads.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.